Okay, let's start drawing the third drawing from our PDF file. This one, as you can see, I think it's easy to draw this sample. You can just put it on the left side first, number page second, like this, done. As you can see, yeah, it's easy to read. I want to start from here with this tool. I think we can finish it with only tool line or with polyline. Let's use polyline here. So let's make it real. So 60. Oh, we didn't change anything. So we need to change the scale of our file. Maybe like 50. Yeah. A little bit move this. We don't need this line again. Delete it. So from here, let's do 60 millimeters. Yeah. Still small. We need to 40, I think. Yeah. Now we know how to change edit scale of our this kind of files. So using polyline, we will draw like vertical line 60 millimeters. Yeah, as you can see, it's a little bit similar, the size of our two meters. So polyline, we will use 60 millimeters down. We need to go right 75 millimeters. I hope it's easy to read. So I will turn off the orth mode. So I need to put 40 millimeters to length of this line, and then 30 degrees to angle of this line. Enter, like this. So I need to go out vertically, so it will be 20 millimeters. Done. And then I need to go left after turning off the auto mode. So here is the angle is like 20 degrees, the length is also like 20 millimeters. So I want to put 20 millimeters to length, and then for angle, as you can see, angle is like opposite side, so 20, it will be like 160. Done. And then here is the length is 20, so angle also will be 160 here again. So I need to go like horizontal line with 25 millimeters length. I need to go down 10 millimeters. I need to go left 10 millimeters, and then I need to, so here, so we don't need the length of this line. We need to turn off the, so what I can to do is just I will start drawing one line from here, horizontal line. So here what can we do? Let me check the distance. Yeah. I will just, it's easiest way is I will just use like this tool, rectangle tool. I will start a rectangle like this. As you can see, the horizontal side of our rectangle will be 20 millimeters, vertical side will be like 30 millimeters. Enter. So done. What I need to do is that I will connect this kind of part, and then using line I will do this kind of diagonal. So I can delete this rectangle, helpful rectangle here. So it's finished. So the last thing is just putting the dimensions, sizes here, so it will be finished with this sample also. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to finish this drawing.